guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today again I am back with another April niche idea video, and in the last video we did Unicorn Day and we explored a interior on Canva. So we have two more to research and create for, and again I am designing in Canva. We're doing t-shirts, t-shirt design, interior, and a journal cover. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I'm gonna go ahead and remove Unicorn Day from the wheel, and we're gonna go ahead and spin again and see what lucky thing that we're gonna come up on. All right, it looks like it's gonna be Cinco de Mayo. Well, I really want to find something fun. Nothing is coming to my mind right away, so I'm gonna go to Pinterest and I'm just gonna see if there is any cool Cinco de Mayo quotes that I can finesse. Or chip dipping and margarita sipping. Ooh, I like this, but first tequila. I feel like that's been good. Ooh, I got one. Let's see. Tequila. What is it when they suck the rim, like salt on the rim? Ooh, that looks like fun. Salt on the rim. That sounds like fun. I think I'm going to do a shirt that says salt on the rim. And I really like sugar. So let's do sugar on the rim. And I'm going to go to the text and see if I can see anything that I like first. If not, I'll just get something. Let's see what this one looks like. Want something fun. I don't know if you could put the word Cinco de Mayo on here. I'm just doing hashtag tequila. So let's see if I go into my elements and I type tequila, what happens? So we have sombrero, tequila, the lime. Let's see. Let's look up Cinco de Mayo. I'm gonna go back to putting tequila in there because I think I saw something that I liked. I feel like this could brighten up the shirt. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. Bring this up. Turn that a little bit. I'm looking for like a yellowish color. And I'm gonna make one for this side too. I'm gonna flip it. Make it a little bit smaller than that one. Okay. Just gonna place it where I want. Gonna position this and put this to the back. And maybe change this color so it's so festive. I want to get like some red in there, some green. So let's do that red, and let's do tequila and green, because you want it to be festive. Okay, so just a really quick design that explains how most people are going to be taking their tequila shots with salt on the rim. I really like this. Super cute and easy. A little fun. Salt on the rim. Can I get that margarita salt on the rim tray? I buzz like young Trey. Do you think you can buy me a bottle of rosé? Now let's get it. I want a bad bitch. She's with a friend. I don't take guy to the keys to the Benz. Keys to the Benz. Keys. Okay, that was a little Nicki Minaj for y'all. Boom. I told y'all in my past life I was a gangster rapper. Okay. So we got salt on the rim for Cinco de Mayo. Cute little t-shirt idea design. You can ungroup this and move the tequila closer. You can move the tequila over here in the middle. Just depends on how you like it. But I think this is a fun design for St. Patrick's, Lord, for Cinco de Mayo. And let's see if there's any shirt that says salt on the rim. Shirt. Got salt. So there's like 19 search results for salt on the rim. I be finding the stuff, y'all. And then if you, let's see, salt on the rim shirt, salt on the rim Cinco de Mayo. 102. So salt. It's probably with the word like salt and Cinco de Mayo, but still it's not a lot of shirt products. So let me go to like clothing and then let me put the word t-shirt. If there's anything I'm good at, it's finding niches. So if you don't subscribe to my channel for any other things, subscribe for the niche research. So 101. And again, it's still not a lot of shirts that actually say salt on the rim. So how about that? Okay, so that was a fun one. And yeah, so we have one more to do in this niche series. So we're going to make a journal with that one. Again, like I said, if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified of every time that I release a new one. Okay? In the meantime, in between time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.